Hello, everybody. This is Sashamoniquetalks. Hello, my friends. So, y'all haven't seen me in a while. I've been so busy, y'all. And things are coming along. So, I didn't know I was going to have another Empties video. So, this is an Empties video. I think this is the last one until I move, y'all. But I don't know. So, the first thing I'm going to show you is the Downy Light. These are the laundry beads. They smell so good. And I bought these on sale at CVS, so I have more that you will be seeing. Bunch of empties. I stocked up on some of these scent beads when they had to sell. So they're saying this is a light scent. It's not a light scent. I love the scent though. And I'm glad that it's not too light, but they're saying it's a light scent, and it really isn't. But if you can get this on for a good deal, pick some up. I have the Clear Lift laundry detergent sheets. Liquidless Eco Sheets. Deep cleaning. Eco-friendly. Fast dissolve. No phosphorus. And the fresh linen. This stuff is excellent. I got it from Amazon. And I think I have another one that I have to finish up. But I really enjoyed this, and I like these better than the pods because, you can tear off a little bit or you can add as much as you want to. And it cleans very well. This is the Big Roll tissue from Walgreens. I love this. It's a good buy. It's a lot on the roll, and I will continue to buy this. This is an old favorite from Dollar Tree. It works well. Yes, they made the bottle smaller. But let me tell you something. They added a little more perfume to it, and it really smells good. And I find that I'm not allergic to this, so that's why I buy it. I have the antibacterial hand soap. Y'all saw I had a lot of these. I'm starting to get through them. I believe I have 2 or 3 left. So I'm almost finished. Y'all, that stuff lasted me so long. So long. Because I think it ended up being 99 cents in the end. And they don't sell it anymore, so. But if they start back to selling it or something similar in a big bottle like that, I will be grabbing some more. I got the Tide Original. Y'all know this is good. And it smells so fresh and so clean. And I got another one here. So I got 2 that I finished. Do y'all think that will make a nice thumbnail? I got the Penolin Fresh Pine Multi-Purpose Cleaner. Used to buy this a long time ago. I stopped buying it. I love it, and I will be picking up some more. And this is 16.9 fluid ounces. I got the Lifebuoy soap. I can't find the pinkish red one that they used to sell. That was my favorite. But it's still good, and it has a nice scent to it. I have my Ajax dish detergent. It always works, and I will keep buying it. I got the Spa Soap Creamy Milk and Honey Moisturizing Hand Soap. Whenever I see this at Dollar Tree or my local dollar store, I picked this up because you're getting a lot in the bottle. Even though they went up to 125, you're still getting a nice amount in this bottle. I got the Softy Bergamot hairdress. I think I got this from my regular dollar store, but I have seen it at Dollar Tree in the yellow one, and it works good. I have my old reliable AIM toothpaste. It's pretty good. I got the Great Value gallon storage slider bag. These are really nice, especially if you have a deep freezer and you're packing up your meat, separating them. This is pretty good. You know, and it don't feel cheap like some of the stores you go to and their plastic products feel real cheap. That doesn't. This is the Lever 2000 soap. You get 2 for 99 cents. This was good. Get it from my local dollar store. We'll keep buying it. I have the Tide Hygienic Clean Heavy Duty 10 times duty. This is very good. I have another bottle I'm going to use up. And I like this a lot. And my clothes came out, pretty good. I noticed during the summer, like my cotton t-shirts may need a little more extra because I'm always dropping stuff down on me. And you see some greasy spots and stuff like this. This took care of all that. And this is the 92 fluid ounce bottle. I have the Palmolive. It's another oldie but goodie, and I will keep buying this. It's pretty good. I think this is the one, let me see. This is the one I don't care too much for the smell, but those other ones, even the hypoallergenic ones, was ruining my hands, and they're starting to look a little better. So I better stick with the brands that work for me. Because I love trying different things, but how you going to be a product reviewer and you can't tolerate certain chemicals and stuff? I love products. I really love them. And I usually stock up on them. And should I switch to all hypoallergenic products to bring to y'all in review? Let me know. I have the Powerhouse In Wash Scent Booster. I showed this to you before. I brought 2 or 3 for Walgreens, and it really smells good. And I believe it was $1.50, and it turned out being a good buy. And this is 12 ounces. I have Himalaya Complete Care Toothpaste. And I was telling y'all about this before. It comes with 2 in a box for $1.99. And it's so thick and rich, it will make you think that you're using like Colgate and the name brands. This stuff is so good. And I went to the dollar store last week, and I brought me another box. I should have brought 3 of them. But I will be picking up some more. So let me bring it closer so you can see what it looks like if you see this. Because the box looked kind of cheap. But honey, this stuff is excellent. It really is. And it's strong. It'll freshen up that breath, We'll be buying more. And keep buying it. I have the Sure Tough 16 wastebasket bags. This one was okay. But I'm noticing with the wastebasket bags is that they're kind of thin. I think this one was okay. No, I got so many, y'all. I think this one was okay. But some of them feels almost thin like toilet paper. It's just so easy to rip and stuff. I don't see any sense why they make things like that, you know. Because if you buy it and it's not good, you're not going to buy anymore. Okay, I got the, what is this, what is this, what is this, what is this, what is this? This is the Fiora toilet paper. I forget what store I got this from, y'all. I'm not going to make up no stories because I forget. I don't know if it was my local dollar store. Let's see if it has the price on it because that way I could tell. I don't see no price on it. But I'm sure this was like maybe $1.99, something like that. This was really, really good. Fiora toilet paper. If you see it, make sure you pick it up and get it because it's a good, good brand. I got my Persil Pro Clean Original Deep Clean Visible and Invisible Dirt. It does 64 loads and 100 fluid ounces. This is pretty good. It's so strong you don't need those scent beads and stuff with it, which is a plus. The only thing is sometimes you get sick of the smell. It smells so good, but sometimes you get sick of the smell. But honey child, I will tell you, this is some good stuff. Okay. So far, it's not anything that I didn't really like. It's questionable is those garbage bags, and I'm not even sure about that because I have so many. My last item is the Complete Home Powder Laundry Detergent. Fresh Breeze Scent. Okay, so I got this from Walgreens. I have showed this to y'all before. It is very good. It was $1.50, I think. It has a guarantee on it, satisfaction guaranteed. That's always good when you buy stuff, right? Even inexpensive things. And this is 14 ounces. I will definitely be getting more of this. Okay. Go to Walgreens and pick some up. Now, let me see if this is good for HE. Because right now, I'm not seeing it. Yes, it's not saying, so it must not be. Maybe I need to look that up online and see if it is HE, but it's not saying it, so more than likely it's not. Thank you so much for watching. I really miss y'all a whole lot. And I'm not up here that much, but once I move, I will slowly but surely come back and be watching videos and making videos, okay? All right, y'all, so I will see you again soon. Bye.